G'day and welcome back. Today I'm showing you a super quick way to toast shredded coconut in the oven. Spread your shredded coconut in a thin, even layer on a baking tray. Create some channels or gaps in the coconut, as this will allow for more even toasting. We're baking at 150 degrees Celsius, which is about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Pop the tray into the preheated oven. Every few minutes, give it a toss or a stir to ensure even browning. Notice that the sides start to brown first. We need to rotate this back into the middle. It should be nicely golden brown, but remember, it will continue to toast a little on the hot tray, so don't overbake it in the oven. Take it out and transfer it to a cool surface to stop the cooking process. And there you have it, perfectly toasted shredded coconut, ready to use in all your favorite recipes. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.